Hello viewers, I am Maitli. இன்னைக்கு 12th CBSE Maths Relation and Functional Exercise 1.2 ஓட 8 sum இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். Question பாருங்க. Let A and B be two sets. Show that function A cross B to B cross A such that f of A comma B is equal to B comma A is a bijective function. So we need to show it to be a bijective function given that A cross B to B cross A. That is A cross B to B cross A. So I am taking this as A comma B according to this to B comma A. Now they have given A comma B is equal to B comma A. We need to show this to be a bijective function. Bijective function is we need to show it to be a one-to-one and also a onto function. Now let me take let x1 is equal to A comma B. I am going to take x2 to be C comma D. I don't want to take B comma A. Instead of that I am taking it to be C comma D. According to this we know to prove one-to-one let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here x1 is nothing but f of A comma B to f of C comma D. x2 is C comma D. We know that A comma B can be written as B comma A. So according to the given, we can write A comma B to be B comma A. So f of A comma A comma B will become B comma A. Same way f of C comma D will become D comma C. So both are in brackets and an equal to. From this we know that the first one will be equal to the first one, the second one will be equal to the second one. So B is equal to D here, same way A equal to C. So the given is x1 is equal to A comma B and x2 is, which is nothing but this is equal to C comma D. This is A comma B is equal to C comma D. According to this A comma B is equal to C comma D, which is nothing but x2. So from this we know that x1 is equal to x2. I have taken x1 which is nothing but A comma B. We know that A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So C comma D is nothing but what? C comma D is nothing but x2. So from this we know that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is one-to-one function. We have proved this to be a one-to-one function. Now we will go to onto function. For onto function we know that codomain let B comma, your codomain is B comma A. B comma A belongs to B cross A. Your codomain here is B cross A. So B comma A belongs to B cross A. That means B is an element of B belongs to B and A belongs to, small a belongs to capital A. According to this, we know that this belongs to this. This is your codomain. So if I take A comma B, then it belongs to A cross B. Because A belongs to what? A belongs to capital A. So this A belongs to capital A, same way B belongs to capital B. So from this we know that from the element B comma A in B, we can find element that is pre-image. Pre-image A comma B in A cross B. This is in B cross A and this is in A cross B. That is, there is one pre-image in for every codomain element there is a pre-image. If it is C comma D, then it will be D comma C here. There will be every element for element in the codomain. So that means it is a onto function. Therefore, f is a onto function. Therefore, f is bijective. They have asked us to prove bijective, so we have proved it to be bijective. That's all with the sum. Thank you.